Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. Today I'm going to show you how to do a tire pressure relearn procedure in this 2008 Chevy Silverado work truck. This vehicle does not have a key fob, and I'll show you how to do it without any special tools. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. Double check your door. When you open the door, normally there's a tag that shows what the pressure should be. On this vehicle, it happens to be 35 psi for the fronts and the rears. It also tells your tire size, in case you were wondering, of the tire size that's supposed to be on the vehicle. So check that. Sometimes on other vehicles, such as 1 tons, the tire pressure front to rear is different, so you're going to want to adjust that accordingly. Now we're going to reset the tire monitors. Whenever you do a tire rotation or you get a new monitor, you're going to want to do a reset so that the BCM or RCDLR knows where your tires are located. I'm going to take the key. This one does not have a key fob. Turn the key on, and then over here, service tire monitors, I'm going to scroll through. There's a little button on the cluster, and we get to relearn tire positions. I'm just going to hold the button down. Then you're going to hear the horn chirp twice, and we're going to get out. I'm going to take an air chuck that's not connected to air, and we'll take the valve cap off, and I'm going to relieve some of the air pressure for about 8 to 10 seconds. And I'm going to start on the driver's side front. Then when you hear the horn beep, then you can move on to the next tire. And that would be the passenger side front. Take the valve cap off. Eight to 10 seconds. Then when it beeps, move on to the next tire, which is the passenger side rear. You have to do it in this order. When that beeps, we'll move on to the next one, which is the driver's side rear. And that's it. We'll just readjust the pressure back to 35.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.